come to the point where we are going to start the quiz. I hope you all are super ready. Aishwarya, are you ready for the quiz?
Oh, absolutely. I am definitely all pumped up to find out what the surprise is for the surprise round.
Actually, me too. I think.
Hello, madam. Excuse me. What is this?
Sir.
How you can able to do like this, huh?
Sorry, sir.
Looks like we do have a special guest here.
Now you remember me, no?
Oh,
Better.
So it looks like you've named yourself as Peace.
Yeah, ma, I am Peace. RCB supporter, I am a Peace. Are you not know who I am?
I'm really sorry, sir. I guess we should welcome you to the Kushala family quiz then. Are you excited to meet your young friends here?
Oh, ma, full. So much excitement is there from inside. So much exciting. Very much. I want to meet everyone, talk to everyone. You know, today's kids are very intelligent. So I am very full excited to meet them. Ladies and gentlemen, please see a 9386758. It's not a mobile number, it's the game pin. Please key it into the Kahoot. Join the quiz. Okay, we will have fun.
Yes, sir. We'll definitely have fun with you today.
Yeah. Oh, yes, come on. Ladies and gentlemen and kids, let's start the quiz. So
here's the Kahoot quiz.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Yes, so here's the surprise round. And our surprise is
before we start, sorry Srija madam. Dear kids, do you know who that person is on screen? Can somebody just type in the chat box and let Srija madam know who the person is on screen? Because
Steve
I want to know.
Sir, Anu Megha says it's Steve Colbert, sir.
Absolutely right, ma. He's a wonderful man. Like, I have my famous show. Like that only, people are copying me, doing a different shows. So like that only, that show is there. If you are having time, means please go watch it. It's a wonderful show. Yeah, ma, we can go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Ruskin Bond, see, when we were also kids, way back in the 70s. Then also Ruskin actually is a dear friend actually. Sometimes if I'm going for a Mussuri, we will just have like a Musrana or something. But his books and his writing is so wonderful, especially for kids, so they will enjoy so much. So please go read and I appreciate Ruskin Bond's books. Wonderful.
He will be our guest quiz master next Sunday, and I think a lot of us are very excited for that. Will you be joining us for that quiz?
Yeah, absolutely. Ruskin is coming means how can I not be able to come? I will obviously be there. So all of you should come. I will also come. We will have lots of fun. Okay. First question. Pratibha Patil, our former president, was also college level champion in which sport? Played by our Monica Botra, madam.
The answer is table tennis.
Wow! So, you know what sport Monica Botra madam plays? Are you seen the Olympics?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely right. It is table tennis. See, dear kids, you should understand. Pratibha Patil madam is the epitome of showing that women are capable of reaching excellent heights in life. Similarly, Monica Botra, Pratibha Patil, and lot of other women around the world are examples of showing that women are no less, they are brilliant in every single field that they are in. So let's understand that and move on to the next question. Very good answer there from Aditipa. Wonderful, ma. Rohan! Kampa, what's the answer? Tell me.
The answer is Dubai.
My God, how did you say? Oh my God, RCB flag in the background. Wonderful. So how did you guess it was the Dubai?
Because IPL was played there.
Oh my God, it's wonderful. Dubai, what a city, no? Like go for like a Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab Hotel. What a wonderful, no? So Rohan, do you like going for a Dubai, and have you ever gone for a Dubai?
No, but I would love to go there.
Yeah, no problems. Next IPL, if it's happening there only, I'll book a ticket. We'll go. Okay, I will take you. Very good answer, pa. Well done.
Are you all ready to actually have a face reveal of the voice who's been talking to you all? Yes, I can see a lot of thumbs ups on the screen. Sir, can you please reveal yourself?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Sir, you look like an imposter. I haven't seen you before.
Yeah, I am not the real person. You thought I was real. Oh my God. So, no. Actually, he is my brother. So, along with him, I am just here. That's all. So, I am not the real person. You thought I was real. No.
Yeah.
It's just like.
All right, sir. On that note, can we take a picture with everyone since you're already here?
Guys, can we do a piece? Please do a piece for me. Okay? Do a piece.
And yes, done. Thank you so much, sir.
My pleasure. I'm very happy to have come here, interacted with such wonderful, intelligent children, and hope to have more fun throughout the next weeks. Of course, next week you're having the Ruskin Bond edition of the family quiz. Don't forget to register and go for that quiz because, as I said, Ruskin uncle is a very good writer. You should read his books, and book reading is very important. So read more books and be there for the next week's edition. All right, I will see you guys sometime later. Okay, I have to go teach Virat how to bat now. Okay, see you guys. Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. So many responses. Sir, your voice, you are funny. Somebody says hi and he's funny. I think most of them felt that he was very funny, and I think me and Aishwarya both agree with that, isn't it?
Okay, for the next question, I am going to invite our guest quizmaster for the day, Viresh. And Viresh is all set, it seems. Hello, Viresh. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
And looks like you have a really nice virtual background as well. So a big CSK supporter, I guess?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, lovely to see that. Are you ready to present your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Passing on the mic to Viresh. And here is the question.
Connect this through these pictures to the famous Indian fast medium bowler.
I think the answer is Jasprit Bumrah.
Yes, ma'am, it's absolutely right.
Can you tell us what led you to the answer?
So first of all, I think his nickname is Jassi. Then he plays for Mumbai Indians. He was born on 3rd December 1993 in Ahmedabad. He is from Gujarat. And he is an Indian fast medium bowler, and I think he has gotten more than 100 wickets in T20 and Test matches, and many wickets in ODIs too. I think his jersey currently is 93, not 100.
All right,
Ma'am, it's
Viresh.
100. Ma'am, it's 100. I have
And
searched
more
on Google.
100.
Ma'am, I have searched on Google. The first image is showing the jersey number of Bumrah, which is 100. Then it's in IPL. He plays for Mumbai Indians, and the nickname of Jasprit Bumrah is Jesse. As usual, we have also seen in the ads. Then wickets, he has also taken more than 100 wickets in Test matches and T20s, and more than 50 wickets in ODI matches. He was born on 3 December 1993 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and is an Indian fast medium bowler and pacer.
All right. Thank you so much, Viresh. Here it is. Finally, the set 4 of the October series. Get ready to send your answers on the chat. At first, we have a picture of a very popular Hollywood movie. Then again, we have a still from another very popular Bollywood movie. And then we have the picture of Snapchat.
It's time to announce the Long Visual Connect winners from last week. These are the people who got the answers right as soon as the clue was revealed. We had Abhijay, Arvind, Rohan, Srikumar and Shreya V. So well done to all of you. You got the answer right last week itself. And let's move on to the overall top 10 winners of last week's quiz. We had Rajiv Ratnam, Abhijay Arvind, Amrita B, Sai Prabir Iyer, Aditi B, Adrocious, Trivikram, Sachin 1, Rohan, Partha and Vidita, who were the overall top 10 winners. So congratulations to all of you.
The most awaited round of the day, the rapid fire round. I hope you all put on your thinking caps. You've also done this to relax your fingers, and here's your first question on your screen. So according to the BMC data, which Indian city was in the news for reporting zero COVID-19 deaths for the first time, right? So is it Mumbai, is it Bangalore, is it Kochi, or is it Chennai? All right, less than 4 seconds remaining. quickly feed in your answers. And yes, Mumbai is absolutely right.
Okay, coming in the third place, we have Sambarta Sanyal. The second position with 17 of 18 answers right is Amrita B. And the winner for today's quiz is Rajiv Ratnam. And in the runners-up, we have Ramya and Anumega. Well done to everyone who participated. So here is today's lucky draw winner. We have Sohan, who is today's winner and gets a special hamper from Postcard.
It feels very nice to be the lucky draw winner today. This is the first time I'm winning a lucky draw.
Oh, that's also great to hear.
That's all from our end. Yeah, thank you so much. We had a lot of fun with you and we hope you